Hello everyone, my name is Naziba Tasmia and I'm from Independent School, and today I'm going to show you a fun experiment. All you need is only 4 things. You need vinegar, baking powder, bottle and a balloon. First you're going to pour the vinegar inside of the bottle. Then you're going to put the baking powder inside of the balloon. It's going to be much easier if you have a funnel, but since I don't, I did it like that. Then you're going to put the balloon on top of the bottle, just like this. Do it like that. And now observe what happens to the balloon. Look, the balloon got bigger because when you mix vinegar and baking powder together, it makes gas. Thanks for watching. Bye.